akala ng karamihan ng mga kababayan natin ay I'm still Spotify.
I don't know who made it up. It was not me.
Pero talaga matagal na ako na tuli. Para kung gusto
You really want to confess that today?
Yeah. Kasi akala ng mga karamihan ng mga kababayan natin, Korean, Ryan Bang ay Spotify. But I'm very Tulify. Okay? Yeah, I'm very Tulify. Kasi when I pinanganak ako, paglabas ko ng, by the way, nahirapan ako lumabas sa tiyan ng mami ko kasi medyo malaki talaga ulo ko nung mga baby ako.
You were 6 feet tall man.
Hindi 1 year old, 6 feet?
No. I mean, just so they know how tall you are. No, because some people, my grandfather
but
needs
I'm talking
to... I know, but kumbaga, as a baby, malaki ka na because now you're 6 feet tall.
Basta ko advance. Wala pa ako dyan eh. Nung baby pa ako, nahirapan ako lumabas. Nilagay ng kapatid ng daddy ko kasi pastera siya. Nilagay niya Bible, diyan na ako lumabas. Tapos natuli na ako agad.
As a baby.
Yeah. Okay. Gusto mo invite ko dito sa Spotify yung doktor na tinuli sa akin from Korea sa
Oh my God!
Yugwangsan Sanbuinka, Yugwangsan Hospital, it's in Seoul.
I will search it.
Yeah,
and
search.
That is our cold intro here for K's Drama. Welcome, Yunsung Bang.
Thank you so much, Ate
Bang
Karil.
Yunsung, Ryan Bang, Jay Iremun, Karil Imnira.
Super perfect.
I love it. Thank you, teacher.
Yeah, welcome.
안녕하세요. You are listening to K's Drama. It's not about K-drama because my nickname is K.
Alam ko, syempre.
So, I'm telling the listeners.
Sobrang tagal natin kasama.
I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to the listener.
Akala mo C ka o P? Alam ko K ka.
Diba? K for?
Karil.
Thank you for not saying kulangot. But yeah, Ryan Bang and I have been working together for more than 10 years.
14 years.
14 na ba?
Oo, kasi nung start tayo, magkatabi tayo sa 2010 Showtime. You are
magkatabi kami as judges in Showtime.
30 years old ka nun eh. Tapos marami pa naligaw sa'yo. Pwede ko sabihin dito. Akala nyo si Kuya Yael yung isang vocal ng banda na marami ang nagbinigay sa akin ng yung letter na aabot ko daw sa'yo. Mga 2 vocalist ng banda.
Oh my gosh.
Bawal sabihin.
Hindi ko alam. Hindi mo naman inabot yung letter.
Inabot ko sa'yo.
What?
Balay ko ba? Hindi naman ako nagbasa.
Hindi ko na maalala. I don't remember.
Di mag-check up ka. Inabutan ko sa'yo yung mga, madami naligaw sa'yo noon.
Hindi ko na maalala. It was blurry.
Siyempre, na-inlove ka kay Kuya Yael. Pero, nung single ka pa, talaga, alam nila kasi close tayo eh. So,
so I was teaching Ryan Filipino.
Yes, kasi...
So that when he judges, if he needs to know certain words, he would ask me how to say it in Filipino.
Yes, you are so nice.
Thank you.
Super. Kasi...
감사합니다.
Nasa live tayo, pagkatapos ng sayaw, talaga hindi lang ako mag-comment. Kumbaga, katabi ko, Hurado, lahat tayo nako-comment. Tapos competition yun kasi may botohan yun
we would get voted out.
Pero you are so nice. Whenever I ask you, grabe yung translate mo sa akin. Kaya ako nandito na yun eh. Ang bigat yung microphone, nakahawak pa ako.
But you're strong. Di ba, kunwari nag-golf ka. Di ba you play golf?
Ang bigat yung microphone, tapos nakalapel pa ako. Ba't ihahawak para akong... Sobrang bigat ito ha.
Talaga? Di ba nagugong ka rin sa Showtime? You wanna do it this way?
Ganun. So, kaya ako nandito kasi you are an angel. Parang sa lahat ng tao na kilala ko, pinakamalapit sa angel ay ikaw yun.
Ganito siya today, pero we are really frenemies. So, we are chingus. How do you say enemy in Korean? Aisht.
Pag binibigla mo ako, nagsistop yung brain. Buffering ako.
Ay, pale. Bilisan.
Chingu, enemy.
Do you know how to speak Korean?
Parang enemy din ang tawag namin sa Korea.
Enemy.
Chingu, I'll text you tonight.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Oh, sorry, we didn't even introduce you properly. So Ryan is my chingu, sometimes my enemy, but also he is a businessman.
I'm your younger brother.
You're my dongsenga,
Eh,
younger brother. You are a businessman. You have a lot of businesses. So one of them would be the kimchi,
Yeah, I start selling kimchi during pandemic.
which is like the way to go because it would keep people healthy and boost their immune system. It wasn't in the news that it's very healthy.
Yeah, inquire. I watched yung TV tapos bigla lumabas yung mga balita na maganda yung COVID from avoid sa COVID.
Yes.
You eat kimchi.
Yeah, and your kimchi brand is Jaba Kimchi.
Yes, kaya ako nung start ng negosyo, nagsisell muna ako ng kimchi.
Oh.
Ah.
So you had kimchi and then the second concept that you had was Dukop.
Yeah, cup rice. So, yung kimchi, I have a memory with my mom because my mom is from Jeollanam-do, is Suncheon, near Busan. Talaga they made very delicious, authentic kimchi in Korea is Jeollanam-do. So, hindi siya magaling magluto yung nanay ko. Pero nung bata ko, siya pinaka masarap magluto ng kimchi.
So they prepare it. This is the red kimchi. Kasi
Yes.
there's a lot of different types. Repolyo ba yung ano?
Meron din white kimchi.
Oo. No, but
Yeah.
your kimchi is what kind?
My
What veggie
Korean
is it?
kimchi.
What veggie is that?
Veggie is from Baguio.
No, I mean, ano nga?
Anong? Pechay.
Pechay!
Oh.
Hindi yun.
Oh.
Galit ka sa... This is why we're so enemies.
Oh, ikaw, alam mo, ako, same lang ako. Ikaw, minsan, yung mood mo, lolo coaster eh. Ikaw yung parang baliw ka yata eh. Minsan nagagalit ka sa akin. Minsan,
Wait, tsaka man, wait lang. We
Oh.
didn't finish your intro. So you have Jaba
Diba?
Kimchi,
Tapos,
Cup, the
Yeah.
cup rice, and then the third is Paldo Restaurant.
no, I start Jaba kimchi for like, my
No.
mom teaching me how to cook the kimchi.
Uh-huh.
And then cup rice, do cup.
Okay.
And that's the cup rice I always eat with my dad. Because my dad is taxi driver, di ba? He know the best restaurant.
He is the best. I
Oh.
love him.
Baka matampo sa'yo ng daddy mo.
I also love my dad, no? I'm just saying, di ba?
Sorry. Akala ko, daddy ko lang. Malay ko ba?
Banding kami, daddy mo, di
Dapat
ba?
I love your dad and my dad. Dapat di ba linaw? Sa buhay natin na yun, kailangan malinaw.
Alam na ng dad ko na love ko siya.
Alam ba niya? Hindi niya, kahit kung mo expect alam ng magulang mo, dapat you have to show the...
Ba't mo ko pinapagalitan?
Kasi yung mga tao na yun, ay alam ng magulang ko, mahal ko siya. Hindi nila alam. You have
Hindi
to...
nila alam.
Alam nila, but you have to show. Text him. You have to say it.
Okay, wait, bye.
Hindi. Sabi mo, nakahawak ka ng mic. Sabi mo,
Okay.
magiginig sa Spotify mo.
Mom, I love you.
Daddy mo.
Papa, I love
yes,
you.
very good.
Thank you.
Yeah, I love you. Ate
Sinong
Karel.
ate dito? Di ba ako?
Ikaw pala. Oh. Akala ko, ikaw
Ba't
yung...
mo ko pinapagalitan?
Never kita pinapagalitan. Oh, gusto ko pagalitan yung aircon dito.
Kasi naka-sweater ka. Alam mo bang it's summer sa Philippines?
Yes, kailangan pala may electric fan dito.
Yes.
So, Ate
Have
Karel...
a cold drink.
Horchata.
Siesta
Horchata.
horchata.
Sip and relax. And then, Ate Karel, after...
Wait, I'm laughing, but don't make me laugh. I'm drink.
After sip and relax. After I watch Carousel, na-stress ako kasi wala ako naintindihan. Hindi pala yun.
Okay, wait, let's just make an intro, like give the context. So, I've been doing theater, and they know this because I usually bring my theater dolls of the roles I've played. And after the pandemic, I did Carousel. And of course, my Showtime family was there to support me. You went there with a bouquet of flowers.
Yeah, kasi I search. First time kasi manood ng
Koreans are like this. Like what to do when you watch a play.
Yeah.
Oh my
So,
gosh. Is there like a list?
It's my first time to watch the musical play.
Yes.
And then I know it's your happiness, your dream.
Aww.
So
he told me, your play will be my happiest day for my highlight of the year. Isn't that so sweet that somebody should say that?
Yeah.
Your play will be the highlight of my year. And I was like, what do you mean?
Because I know you dream about it. Tapos, kaya ako bumili ng
I'm
book.
gonna cry.
Gusto mo, iyak ka muna, alis na ako. Sasagot na ako eh.
Oh, go. Continue.
Kasi if you really love someone, when that person is happy, you are also happy.
Oh, look at you.
Yeah. You look at me now. Ano, salamin? So,
Look at you being such a sweet guy.
Yeah, so Ate Karir, so I bought a flower, very big flower, pero masama na ang loob ko sa'yo.
Bakit?
So pagdating ko sa likod ng CCP box. So
Office.
CCP office. Tapos bawal pala flower sa loob.
Yes, I could see you from the CCTV actually.
Talaga. So sabi ko, ma'am, bumili po ako flower para kay Ate Karir. Bawal po sa loob. Opo. So paano yun? Sa'yo na lang, ate. Hindi.
No, ibibigay nila sa curtain call pag nagbow.
Nakbabaw. Tapos pagpasok ko, nakita kita. Sobrang saya ko. Ate Karir, bawal pala kita usapin. Ang dami rules dyan. Ang dami batas pala sa loob ng play.
It's a postmodern play, so we do our little warm-up and just walk around the
Pero
stage.
hindi mo ako pinapansin nung nakita mo.
Hindi pwede.
Bawal yun.
Bawal.
So,
Kasi
suplada ka pala sa
nag-act na
play.
kami.
Ha?
Hindi, nandun na kami sa play.
Oh, okay. So,
It's postmodern, so parang uma-acting na kami. Nandun lang kayo sa warm-up. Pinapakita namin na riniredy namin yung mga jug namin, yung tumbler namin ng tubig.
Kaya nga
Ganyan.
so nagbebeso ako sa'yo, naglakad ka lang. Sabi ko, mukha kong sobrang napahiya ako. Ate Karir, nagbeso ako, naglakad ka ng ballet. Sabi ko, ano to? Hindi ako pinapansin ni Ate Karir.
Nag-volley. Umikot-ikot na ba?
Oo.
Nagsa-stretching din kasi kami.
Oo. Tapos, nung start ng play, ano yung French?
English.
English ba yun?
Carousel.
Wala ko naintindihan.
Rodgers and Hammerstein.
Oh, yung accent mo, grabe, ang hirap. Tapos, habang play, may inabot sa akin ng paper. Yung kasama mo sa play.
Yes, si Paula Pagio.
Tapos, kantahan na. So, kumanta ako. Bawal pala. Ang gulo. Ang dami bawal. Bawal dala lang bulaklak. Bawal mag-beso
Bawal
sa'yo.
magbanyo.
Bawal mag-hi sa'yo. Tapos, pinapamadali. Sabi ko, mag-share kayo, share. Sa gitna ng play. Hindi, okay lang. Share kayo. Nag-share na ako. Upo na kayo, upo na. Sarado na gate. Grabe, nalito ako sa rules. Nahihilo ako.
Pero you watched,
Yeah,
even
I
if it
watched.
was 3 hours long,
Yeah.
the ballet dancer fell in front of you. What did you do?
Tinulungan ko siya. Para matayo siya agad. Akala ko nahulog siya talaga. Kasama pala acting. Kasi yung acting, pinapanood ko lang sa sinehan.
Gumanon siya. Ano sabi mo?
O sabi, okay ka lang? Hindi pala siya...
Hindi. That's good acting kung akala mo nahulog siya. Sa harap mo.
Hindi yung good. Ba't sa harap ko? Doon talaga pwesto niya?
Yes.
Talaga. Doon talaga ako nakaupo. So, nung nahulog siya sa harap ko, tinulungan ko siya. Hindi pala pala siya hawakan. Ang hirap naman. Parang aquarium sa isda, bawal hawakan.
Kasi ano yun, acting space.
Acting
But at
space.
least now you know. You watched Ramahari with my favorite Ryan. Ryan Cayabyab, National Artist for Music.
Yeah. Your favorite, Ryan.
My favorite Ryan.
Yeah. Also, ang sarap din kausap with my favorite K.
Sino?
Alan K. Ikaw, akala mo favorite K kita?
Hindi ako yan.
So, I enjoy watching your play kasi hindi ko naintindihan. Sino?
Yeah, that is how you know that we are really good friends. But aside from meeting you in Showtime, siguro because we've had such a long friendship, I have met your parents in Korea.
Yes, you went to my house pa.
I went to your house, that's right.
No, ikaw yung first Pilipina na pumasok sa kondo ko.
Oh my gosh.
Oo.
I have a title. Yeah. And so we had like a beautiful dinner with your mom. We also had a beautiful lunch naman with your dad. And those were very memorable because it was just like a beautiful bonding experience. Your house is very nice.
Thank you so much. Kondo. Hindi yung house.
Your home.
Yeah, my house.
Your home is very nice. And I think one of the best things that we did in Korea was to hang out by the Han River.
Yes, Han River was amazing.
What season did we go to Korea? It was summer, no? Mainit na mainit.
Hindi naman sobrang init.
Mainit.
Mainit,
Diba?
no? Mas mainit dito na yun. Di mo
Yeah.
sinabi may na aircon dito,
Aircon mo to.
Aircon mo. Sorry.
Naka-off ba?
So,
Do you want to remove your sweater?
No,
Sorry.
may asawa ka na, Ate Karil. Pigilan mo yung...
So we were in the... So we're in the Han River.
Yeah, Han River.
We're with Direct John Mall and his family. And we have our picnic blankets, which is my favorite activity, going on a picnic.
Talaga?
And picnics in Korea are next level because you can just rent the picnic blanket.
Pwede mag-picnic tayo mamaya sa Pasig River.
Pwede. Let's go. Kacha.
So, yung sa Han River, so I was drinking water. Tapos, uminom ako water. Tapos sabi ni Kuya, alam mo yung iniinom mo tubig, Ryan? Yun din iniinom ng mga dinosaur.
It's the same water. Yeah, basically.
Tapos sabi ko,
hindi pa sila ganun ka-close ni El.
Tatawa ako. Baka ma-offend. Baka rockstar to. Baka babato sa akin.
Parang yun ang first
baka
bonding
babato sa akin yung gitara, di ba? Jujok. Tatawa ako.
So yung mukha mo parang, hindi mo alam, parang pinipigil mo yung tawa mo, tapos tumitingin ka sa akin, pwede ba tumawa?
Yung pala joke niya yun.
Hindi siya joke.
Totoo yun?
Totoo siya.
Bakit habang umiinom na ako, ang tubig, sabi, yun yung tubig na yung iniinom ng Tyrannosaurus, ganun?
It's the same in the earth. It's just been going around.
Ano ba siya? Professor? Ganun?
Hindi naman. Parang mahilig lang siya sa dinosaur.
Mahilig siya sa dinosaur.
Jurassic Park favorite niya. Pag narinig niya yung theme song ng Jurassic Park,
kaya pala in love siya sa'yo.
Mama ka dinosaur.
Hindi. Wala naman ako sinabi.
Tanda na ako.
Hindi.
As your ate.
Hindi. Ikaw grabe, ikaw pinakamaganda para sa akin.
Say sorry in Korean.
죄송합니다.
Ang gwapo mo dun.
No? Magsalita ko ng Korean?
You should speak Korean more.
Grabe nakaka-offend. Minsan, nung nakamask ako, ang gwapo mo. Huwag mo tanggalin.
Hindi kasi diba yung mga Korean oppa, nakamask.
Sana nakamask ka habang buhay.
Hindi naman.
Sinabi mo yun, yung galing sa...
Hindi kasi nung diba, yung mga Korean oppa, naka-black mask sila. So pag nag-black mask ka, parang wow, oppa.
Kaya nga sinabi mo sa akin, Ryan, Belde, can you please not remove your mask forever?
Joke lang yun. Ryan is he was the bunso at one point in Showtime. It was originally Ann Curtis and then it became you, and now I think it's Sean. So you do get joked a lot and bullied a lot, and it's amazing to me how you're okay with all these mistakes that we make. You just mentioned na na-offend ka na sinabi kong pogi ka sa mask. Pero...
Hindi ako na-offend. Totoo naman kasi. I agree.
Pero like, kunwari, we would always joke you about kimchi, which if I think about it, is a little bit maybe racist.
No. I never feel like that.
Correct. And because we did joke you about kimchi for the longest time, you made it your business.
No. I really offend. Can I say this? Kasi grab ko tong opportunity na to.
Right,
kasi
yeah. Because we have to learn.
One time I got really offend. Actually, 2 times. One inside Showtime and one outside Showtime.
By me?
Yeah.
Okay. This is the problem of multicultural friendship.
Can I open here?
Go, you can.
Sobra ako na,
Tell us.
Okay, first.
I'm so nervous. Okay.
So, syempre, yung sa lahi namin, manipis talaga yung kilay namin. So, may... kumbaga may bako-bako. So, hindi pantay. So, sabi ng nanay ko, masunurin ako sa mami ko. Ryan, anak, magpatato ka kilay. Sabi ko, magpatato? Baka may sakit yan. Hindi. Normal lang sa Korea. Parang gupit ka ng buhok. Sa Korea, lahat nagpatato.
Grooming.
Huwag ka mag-comment na offend ako sa'yo nun. Tapos, sige, nagpatato ako. Sobrang kapal. Kasi ganun daw mga 3 days. Parang ng uring.
Parang it was a bit thick.
Parang Shinchan. So tapos, nahiya ako pumasok. Pero pumasok ako. Pero sabi ng nagpatato sa akin, dapat itong gamot, ilagay mo every morning. Nung nilagay ko, basang-basa. Parang sobrang
so yung
maliwalas.
Texture na iba.
Maliwalas. So, pumasok ako sa Showtime. Parang yung tumatawa pa sa akin ng mga tao. I was very conscious. Tapos, nung panahon na yon, nandun yung lahat ng magaganda sa buong Star Magic. Nandun yung Gertrude, sila Chi Felomena, sila Loisa, sila lahat ng mga Gertrude. Tapos, may...
we had a game. Puro katatawanan.
Joke battles. So, may joke is...
So, kami, parang, Ryan, I choose you. Ganun.
So,
battle kaming dalawa.
No, actually, pinili nila ikaw. Today, Karel will joke. Tapos, pinili mo ako. Gusto ko kalabanin ko si Ryan. Ryan, alam mo sino ako? Sino? I'm your kilay! Ang kapal!
Hindi, baliktad. Gumanon ako. Sino ako?
Sino?
Ako, ang kilay ni Ryan.
So, bakit? Nagpatato kasi siya. Binuking mo talaga sa buong Pilipinas. Nagpatato ako ng
Hindi ko
kilay.
sinabi na nagpatuto ka. Nagets na nilang lahat.
Ano, basta, sinabi mo sa TV, national TV, nagpatato ako. Alam mo, simula noon, hanggang mga 7 years, nag-singer ako dahil sinabi mo yan. Sinong Pilipina na in love sa Koreano na nagpatato ng kilay? Wala, di ba?
Miyane.
Oo, di ba? Yun.
Miyane. I'm so
Yeah.
sorry.
Tapos, isa pa.
So, hindi ka na-offend sa kimchi, pero dun sa kilay
Hindi ako
na.
na-offend lahat. Yun, no, isa pa. Meron ako isa pa. So,
Ako pa rin to?
di ba, napatato ako, kilay. So, nag-singer ako. Matagal na ako singer. Tapos, isang araw, may date ako.
Sure ka? Sasabihin mo dito? Sa siesta, horchata?
Okay, pass.
Sa siesta, horchata is owned by Ryan's
So, ito na lang,
girlfriend.
ito na lang.
Uy, sarap.
So-
Ang ganda ng business ng girlfriend mo, ha? Siesta, horchata.
Thank you pala, thank you.
For stopping you, diba? That's a true friend.
Thank you. Okay, so, meron pa ako isa pa.
Sa concert ni Yael?
Hindi, meron ako isa pa. Manood kami, lahat kami sa Showtime host, bonding kami sa Araneta. So, meron kami event sa Araneta Coliseum sa Cubao. So, si Ate Karil, doon siya sa bandang South, sa may Makati. Ako naman dito sa QC. Tapos sabi niya, Ate Karil, text niya ako, Ryan, pwede sunduin mo ako? Kasi pumunta ako Araneta, wala akong kotse.
Wala akong kasama. Wala si Yael eh. So, gusto ko mag-make...
So, ginamit mo ako para may kasama ka?
Mahilig lang ako
Akala ko wala kang
mag-carpool.
kotse. Mahilig ka carpool? Dapat sana mahilig ka sa swimming pool kaysa carpool. So, from Quezon City, punta ako sa Makati. Sinundo kita noon.
Because you're my dancing With flowers pa ata.
Yes. Tapos, di ba, binigay ko isang piraso?
Oo nga.
Di ba? Ganun ako.
So sweet.
Tapos, sabi mo kasi, punta tayo sa Araneta. So,
Yes.
akala ko hanggang doon lang. Kasi malapit sa bahay ko, Araneta eh. So, from all the way from Makati, super traffic. But then, tsaka ang daldal mo. Tapos, nasa Araneta na tayo. After, Raya, hatid mo ako.
Kain tayo.
Parang matalino ka eh. So, hatid mo. So, bumalik kami sa Makati.
Makati.
Tapos, usually, kasi pag nakikisakay ka lang,
Oo.
akala ko kasi ikaw magdibre eh. Tapos, sa Korean restaurant kami,
Kumain tayo sa poblasyon. At hindi pa uso yung...
tayong dalawa lang nun eh.
Hindi
Tas,
pa uso yung Korean restaurants nun.
ang dami mo order. Nagulat ako.
Ikaw nag-order.
Ikaw nag-order.
Hindi. Naubos ko lang yung order mo, kaya nag-order ka ulit.
Kaya ang dami, basta ang dami natin order. Tapos
nakailang
sobrang
pork ka.
dami. Tapos, nung bill out ako, tapos sabi mo, ay, yung wallet ko nasa bahay. Nainis ako.
Minus ka rin.
Ang dami mo kinaya, ang dami mo order, tapos nakikisakay ka.
Korean restaurant.
Ganun pala. Okay.
Oo.
So, yeah. So, anyway, yung kilay, na-offend ako sa... Anyway.
Yung libre, na-offend ka rin?
Hindi. Kasi parang sinundo kita, napakalapit lang sa akin yung Araneta. Sinundo kita, napakalayo ng Makati. Wala pa Skyway noon. Kasi, tapos, dahil dyan, gumawa ng Skyway. Anyway. Tapos, bumalik tayo sa Araneta. Tapos, hahatid kita ulit. Tapos, kakain tayo. Tapos, ang dami mo order. Tapos, akala ko, ikaw makbayad. Tapos, sa akin pupunta yung bill. Tapos, smile ka lang.
Pero honestly, that moment, it was my first time to eat yung with lettuce, wrap, yung ilalagay mo yung
Yes.
samgyup. Kasi hindi pa uso yung samgyup nun eh.
Oo.
Lalo yung mga unli.
Oo.
So, tinuro mo sa akin, kailangan ko siyang ilagay ganon. Tapos, isang subo lang and we will bite it.
Kailangan isang subo.
Yeah.
Para, nandun yung ano.
And then, pag uminom ka ng shot, paside.
Yes, tinuruan kita yung culture namin. Very conservative kasi culture
Right.
namin.
I also like that your dad always reminds me to say yo, which is your
Like
version
po.
of po. No?
Yeah.
So, you're very big on
si Grace-
honorifics.
Si Senator Grace po, pag pumunta sa Korea, Grace Yo.
Ipa ba siya? Oh my God!
Po kasi sa Korea, yo eh.
Grace, yo!
Oh,
No!
totoo.
Ani, yo. Grace, yo.
Grace Yo. Sa Korea, Senator Grace po, pag pumunta Grace Yo.
So, yeah, I mean, having a friend like from a different cultural background is a very good learning experience. And I think having you as a friend, I've learned so many things. And the idea that I'm older than you, I've had to lower my pride, especially when you teach me something.
Talaga?
Totoo. Like when you teach me about loving my country,
Yes, that's most important.
singing in Filipino, writing songs in Filipino, learning my history lessons, diba? Parang you're very, very strict about that. Those are some of the things na talagang, shucks, tama si Ryan.
Yes,
I've
dapat.
had to apologize to him when I didn't believe him when he said this to me. Like, when I just took it lightly. But these are actual good lessons to learn, even if it's from somebody younger than you.
Yes. Thank you for saying this after 15 years. Akala ko, yeah. But then, syempre, when I talk to you about yung mga ganyan, syempre, serious ako. Mukha lang hindi.
I mean, I think yung award-winning magpasikat niya ni Jong, where you do like a cultural exchange, you're doing the Filipino cultural dances and he does the Korean dances. Parang it's a beautiful representation kung gaano mo kamahal yung Pilipinas at parang pinapaalala mo sa amin na sana kayo rin maalala
Yes,
yung
we love Philippines. Even in
mahalin ang
Korean,
kultura natin. Yes.
yeah, the bansang Korea, they really love They appreciate all the Filipino. Like, the relationship with Korea and Philippines already 70 years. Tapos, 1950, pinadala ng more than like 7,000 sundalo na pupunta sa Korean War. Pag pumunta kayo, Yongsan Korean War Museum kung saan na yon nagsistay ng presidente namin, nandun yung Philippine flag. Tapos nandun yung lahat ng names ng yung sumali ng sundalo.
Yung mga sundalo.
Yeah, sa Korean War. So, we really appreciate and kasi all the Korean, they love Philippines because they all required to study the history. So, alam namin lahat nangyari sa tinulungan ng malaki yung tulong ng mga Philippine sundalo sa Korea. Kaya kasi we study history.
And in your Magpasikat, where you won, you actually honored the soldiers.
Yes.
Di ba? Parang pinaalam niyo sa amin yung kahalagahan nila sa inyo.
Oh, yes.
Galing, thank you.
Yeah,
And you visited the soldiers, actually. You
Yes.
featured them
Yes.
on TV. So
Yes.
that's cool.
Gusto mo ba maging soldier?
No.
Ba't dito yung bigla
Hindi, natuwa lang ako
yung inis
na-
ko sa'yo, bigla napunta ng soldier?
Hindi, in-explain ko lang na hindi ka naman puro joke-joke.
Yes, of course.
Tsaka hindi mo naman ako sobrang hate. Oh, that's another thing I wanted to explain. So, we are always fighting on TV.
Yes, kasi nakakatawa ako pag nainis daw ako. Kaya,
So, sino ako? Kung ikaw si Tito Dolphy, sino ako?
thank you, Panchito. Ganun. Hindi, joke lang. Minsan.
So, I was saying na parang yung dynamic na isang friendship na asaran, delikado siya.
Bakit?
Kasi kung may pikon,
Hindi ka naman
pwede
pikon.
tayong mag-away forever.
Oh.
So, I wanted to share just in case nobody knows. Kasi baka iniisip nila, grabe naman sila
Hindi,
mag-asaran.
ano yun?
Para magkapatid.
Joke lang yun talaga.
Parang aso't pusa. Pero the thing is kasi, you always say, I love you.
Of course, I love Ate Carisong.
So sweet.
Yes, I love.
So sweet.
yeah, I
Pwede
love-
ka na mag-girlfriend.
May girlfriend na ako.
Meron na ba?
Ikaw talaga.
Sure ka?
Oo, sure yun. Tanong mo siya kung sure siya. Ako sure ako.
Sure
eh.
ako. Ang laki na ng in-improve mo. Dati
Na-
hindi ka naman ganyan.
Na hindi ako naliligo, ano?
Hindi. Yung sweetness level mo,
Oo
tumaas
naman.
na.
Siyempre,
Mature.
alam mo, ang style ko, hindi ko alam ganun lahat ng Korean, pero ang style ko, hindi ako showy eh.
Huh?
Yeah, but iba yung sweetness ko na, basta, iba, meron ako sweetness na hindi, alam mo yon, alam ni Paula at alam mo, at alam ni Miss Shasha Padilla.
Friends kayo ni Shasha Padilla?
Super, kami nga 2 hours kami FaceTime eh.
Talaga?
Nasa Lukban siya.
Yeah, she likes you a lot. It's one of my favorites when we pretend to fight you on TV tas kinakabahan ka kasi sobrang niyang galing umarte as
Si
a
mami mo, no?
kontrabida.
Akala ko talaga galit siya sa akin.
Oo, galit talaga siya.
Grabe ka
Hindi,
naman.
joke lang. So, nakaka-nervous yun for you.
Siyempre, kasi Shasha Padilla, akala mo, Miss Shasha, very parang ano siya.
Yes. And sa sobrang mong mahal si Shasha Padilla, who is my mother, the Divine Diva, you called the megastar Miss
Shasha.
Sharon
Kaya nga
Cuneta
nakakahiya.
on
sobra.
TV, Miss Shasha.
Kasi lagi ako usap mami mo, di ba? Miss Shasha, kumain na po kayo. Miss Shasha. At, tapos, nandun si Miss...
Sa Showtime,
Miss
he
Shawi pala.
calls.
Miss Shawi. Miss Shasha.
So, ano yung feeling mo na nag-sorry tayo kay Miss Sharon Cuneta?
Kaya nga nahihiya ako syempre.
Hindi.
Pero
Pero
buti.
sabi niya, it's okay because best friend ko naman si Shashing.
Oh.
So, best friends naman sila ni Mama. So,
Yes.
nagets naman niya.
Sweet naman.
Diba? Sinamahan kita para mag-sorry.
Yes, thank you
At
so much. Ate Kat.
mag-explain.
Sinamahan mo ako,
Ang
pero
bait ko sa'yo.
sobra.
Ilibre mo nga ako.
Anytime.
Saan? Sa Korea. Kaya trip to Korea.
Sa Makati Poblacion muna tayo. Grabe naman. Ano ako, lilibre kita sa, ano tayo, jowa? Ano tayo, asawa? Libre pa kita sa, libre mo sa...
Pero napaisip ka kung anong flight yung mura.
Oo. So, Jeju Air.
Jeju Island. I don't need a visa to go to Jeju Island.
May multiple naman visa mo eh.
What is a spot that one should go to on a trip to Korea? Because I really love the parang picnic vibes that we did.
Alpaca.
There's a BT21 alpaca character.
Yeah, kaya nga when you go to Korea,
May farm, ganun.
Alpaca World.
Alpaca World.
So punta ka Alpaca, so papakainin mo yung Alpaca. Hindi yung Toyota yung van
Alpaca.
Alpaca yung yung parang sheep.
Yeah.
Tapos
like with wool. Does it have wool?
If you go Seoul, you try to go Alpaca and Gangcheon Rail Park, nasa train, pero ipapaddle mo.
Yeah.
Tapos Nami Island, so beautiful Nami Island.
Hindi mo pa ako nadala. What season do you think we should go?
We? Bakit we? Ano tayo?
Di ba libre mo ko?
Ako nagbigay sa'yo sing-sing? Kayo.
I wanna go with you.
With me?
Yeah, like
Tayong dalawa?
Pao and her family.
Oo.
You know what? I had so
linawin mo kasi, kinakapan na tumibog yung puso ko.
I go.
Sorry Kuya Yael.
No. When should we go on our group barkada trip?
Barkada trip. Okay, gusto mo.
When?
Okay.
What season?
Basta anytime, walang turbulence. Kasi hindi ko kaya pag may turbulence.
Hindi, gusto ko makita yung alpaca. Saan yan?
Nakita ko paano? Google mo. Picture, marami dyan.
Ay, alam ko naman kung ano itsura.
So gusto mo makita.
Lotte World.
Lotte World. Maganda pupunta Lotte World pag cherry blossom.
Okay.
Yung cherry blossom, 9 days lang yun So when Filipino people, when they see the mga Instagram na cherry blossom, let's go Korea pagdating doon, wala na blossom. Cherry lang. Sa supermarket, maraming cherry doon. So, it's only 9 to 10 days. Mabilis siya mawala.
So, what's your main tip for people who've never been to Korea? Kasi di ba yung nagkamali ka dun sa tips mo kay Angelica Panganiban? Pinapunta mo siyang Jeju Island.
Hindi ako pinapunta. Ang totoong story kami ni Ate Angelica Panganiban, super close din kami.
Oo.
So, sabi ni Ate Angel, isang araw, tumawak siya tumawak. So, ano yung Jeju Island? Sabi ko, Ate Angel, it's Boracay in the Philippines. So, parang Boracay nga. Hindi sobrang, exactly. That's the Boracay in Korea. Okay? Okay, tas tumawak siya, pangalawa. Galit na galit sa akin. Ryan, sabi mo, Boracay. Two-piece.
Ang dala niya.
Shorts, mga sando, dala ko
Chinelas, ganyan.
Bakit nagsusnow dito na yun? Hayop ka. Sabi niya. Ate Angel, it's winter.
So I guess tip 1, check the season.
Yeah, check the...
kasi wala naman kaming winter dito,
pero
diba?
sobrang tagal na nung kasi, 14 years ago. So, si Ate Angel...
Na-invite ka sa wedding niya?
Oo, si Ate Angel.
Akala ko hindi ka in-invite Kasi dahil dun
Si Ate Angel, I'm so sorry Ate Angel. I love you so much Ate Angel. Pero, kasalanan ko. Kasi, tinanong niya ako, dapat pala, Boracay in Korea pero nag-snow. So,
with 4 seasons.
Galit na galit sa akin Ate Angel noon.
But Jeju Island seems like a good idea. I was watching a travel vlog there and parang ang saya, ang daming food trip. Seafood.
Yes, sobra. So, pag doon, minsan, pag order ka ng ramen, can I have one octopus ramen? Okay, tapos pinapakulo niya yung mga tubig, di ba? Tapos pumasok siya sa dagat. Tapos kukunin niya yung octopus.
No! Ganun ka fresh?
Yeah.
Joke.
Ano to? Comedy show?
Hindi ko alam.
Akala ko Spotify.
As in, kahit gabi?
Hindi ko alam. Hindi pa ako nag-order nung gabi Nag-order ako nung 2 p.m. So, pumasok siya. Sabi ko, can I have octopus ramen? Okay. Tapos kumukulo yung tubig. Tapos pumasok siya sa dagat. Lumabas siya hawak ng octopus. Tapos nilagay niya.
Gumagalaw pa?
Siyempre, galing sa dagat gumagalaw buhay.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, so tapos ang sikas sa Jeju ay Black Pig.
In your area?
Hindi Tipsy Pig. Black.
Pig.
Oh.
Kala ko Blackpink.
Pink yun. Black pig. Oh.
Ano yun?
Maitim na baboy.
Ano mo?
Ha? Hindi mo alam?
Hindi ko
Hindi ba turo sa'yo ni Miss Shasha? Baboy?
So,
Never ko niloloko mami mo. Mahal na mahal ko mami mo.
sinasabi mo ba nagkukulang siya as a
Wala.
mother?
Grabe, yung yung ganyan. Kaya nga, maraming away dito eh. Kaya yung mga, mahal na mahal ko mami mo.
Tama. Di ba may girlfriend ka na?
Hindi, baka iba yung mahal yun. Baka, alam mo, yung blood pressure ko minsan mataas. Dahil sa'yo.
Di ba nag-golf ka naman, nagsa-soccer, football?
Oh. Anyway, so...
It's okay. You love my mom, I love your dad.
So, sila na?
Hindi.
Ano ba, gusto
Kasi
mo?
your dad, niya ako ng fish, di ba?
Oo.
Tinanggal yung tinik for me.
Oo.
Yun lang.
Ganun,
The
ganun.
end. Hindi ko siya love. Saraheo. Hindi ganun.
Oo. Saraheo mo?
Saraheo. I love you.
Linawin mo kasi lagi.
I love po.
Hindi kasi, ang kulang sa'yo, hindi ka malinaw.
Talaga?
Oo, malinaw.
So malabo ako.
Hindi, minsan.
Okay, continue your story.
Wala, nakalimutan ko na kung ano siya.
Black pig
Black
in
pig.
your area.
Black pig sa Jeju Island.
Okay.
Kasi yung mga black pig, kumakain sila ng tae.
Baboy
yun yung-
damo? Parang ganun?
So, dati, nung lumang panahon, ang inidoro namin, CR namin sa labas. Sa ang ilalim nun, nandun yung black pig.
Oh my God.
So, yun yung pinakamasarap ng samgyeopsal sa buong
What the
Korea.
heck?
Mahal.
They eat waste.
No, they eat tae nga.
Yeah, waste. Human waste.
Oo.
Yun yung better way of saying. Because we're on Spotify, Apple Podcasts.
Ang dami bawal sa
YouTube.
carousel music, sa play mo. Ang dami bawal. Bawal daling bulaklak. Dito, bawal.
Hindi, walang bawal dito. I'm just
okay.
saying.
Tapos, na yun, hindi naman sila kumakain
Pagod
na.
ako sa'yo.
Ah,
Tapos?
siya, masarap siya ng samgyeopsal. Healthy.
I love pig. I love pork. Is samgyup pork? Is that
Yeah.
the word for pork?
Yeah.
You have taught me a lot of Korean words. And it started when I watched my first K-drama, Bubble Gum.
Anong bubblegum? Jimmy yun.
Bubble Gum.
Ha?
Kuya Ogie Alcacid, Michael V.
Michael V.
Yeah,
Mm.
not that one. Bubble Gum starring Lee Dong-wook.
Yeah.
Wookie. And you got me tickets ba for his
Fan
fan
meeting.
meet?
Oh.
Yeah. Hosted by Sam O.
Yes, di ba? Yeah. Whenever you ask me, I always say yes. Lahat gagawin ko para lahat ng tanong mo, yes ako.
Yes.
I never say no.
Oh,
Di ba?
never say no challenge pala dapat.
Oo,
tayo.
I always say yes
Sige
to...
nga, can you give me a free trip to Korea?
Yes.
Thank you.
Kapal ng mukha. Sorry. Sorry. Narinig mo ba? Sinabi ko, nasa isip ko lang, lumabas ba?
Yes.
Sorry. Yes, I promise.
Really?
Yes, what can I not do for you? I can do everything.
Bolero.
Yeah, bolero ako talaga.
But yeah, so you taught me how to sing a song from that K-drama and I sang it in a show.
Sa movie mo.
No, before that pa, tinuruan mo ko yung una ko, soundtrack ng Bubblegum. It was by Vanilla, like a band called Vanilla something. And Looks Different is the title.
Yeah.
Yun lang. So, because I had the confidence to learn from that point on, parang it became easier for me to learn songs and words in Korean. So, thank
Anytime,
you.
Ate Karen, anytime. Whenever you need me, I'll be always there for you.
Yeah. So, you're like a nice friend pala. People are
naman.
a chingu.
Super nice.
But how do you think people will be able to to start or form a friendship with somebody from a different race? Because it's not that easy. We are different. There are times when you have corrected me and I have corrected you. Like, kunwari, if you hold me too hard, parang Ryan is soft touch. No, parang when you're trying to stress a point, parang nakagunong, gigil ka. And I say, soft touch.
Kinakabahan kasi ako.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
But yeah, little things like that. So parang we're very open about those things.
Yes, I'm so lucky. I'm the luckiest person na I have
Sino ka ba?
I have a ate like you.
Aww.
Yeah, kasi napakaswerte sa buhay natin na kahit may isang tao lang, kahit may isang tao lang katabi mo na friend na who can always be there for you anytime, whenever you need and advice from your heart, you're the luckiest. Bira, yung iba nga talaga wala eh.
Yeah nga. So, anong advice mo para dun sa mga naghahanap ng friend?
Basta may tatlong hari, iwasan nyo. Joke lang. Hindi, walang advice eh. By accidentally.
Yeah, by chance it
By
happens. Tapos
talaga,
aalagaan na lang?
hindi, you will meet someone talaga, baka sabihin mo malalim, pero talaga na lahat sa
Kasi magkatabi tayo, no?
Romans 8, chapter 8, 28.
Oh my God.
If you love God, Jesus, if you love God, God will provide to you someone really who you need. So,
in your path.
God gave me to you. God, yeah, you're my, ganun. So, Ryan will be in Showtime, bukod kay Mami Vice. Nandyan si Ate Karil, who will teach Ryan Tagalog and everything. Pag Ryan need advice, and if Karil is very sad, Karil will joke Ryan's kilay kasi ang kapal ng kilay. Tapos, pag Karil sad, Karil will tell Ryan's botcha.
No, I never did that. But I did call you one time I was sad. I was like, Ryan, where are you? I need to have dinner with you because I was sad.
Yeah, whenever you said, you call me, and then after dinner, I'm sad.
Napahamak kita, no?
Oh.
That dinner.
Yeah, I'm so sad.
Like,
whenever you sad, we meet. After meet, you happy,
honestly,
I'm sad.
This happened, and it's one of the worst stories ever because I finished the show. I was sad. I was fighting with somebody.
You call me.
I called you.
I went
Ryan,
to you.
where are you? I will go to you.
I was dating.
You were on a date, and I
said,
messed
Ate
up your
Karil,
date.
I'll go to you, but please build up me. I'm dating it. But anyway, I'll go to you.
Yeah,
so I went to you, and that was my last date with her.
But now
napakapangit mo mag-build up. Anong klaseng build up niyan? But now, because of you, I met my destiny. lahat niya may dahilan. But that night, I wanna talaga call Miss Shasha na about.
Sumbong mo ako.
Oh, I hate you that night.
No, for like maybe 1 year. You told everybody the same story.
Pinapakita mo sa yung sino man yan, dinedate ko. Pinapakita mo, you wanna watch Ryan is so lasing? Tingnan mo.
I had them kasi nasa camera ko.
Kaya nga pinapakita mo paano ako sumayaw na parang
You
nakukurin.
wanna do it with me?
No, I don't. Yeah,
T-Rex dance.
Oh, yeah. So you are so sad. I went to you. I was so sad after the dinner.
For 1 year, no?
Yeah.
Last date niya yan?
So super last date.
Sinira ko yan.
Hindi lang, wasak mo. Inasak mo yung date namin.
But now?
Yeah, very thank you. Buti inasak mo.
Winasak.
Anyway, lahat may dahilan. But then,
so there's no formula. Like you can't share with other people. I guess it will happen and you just have to be open to it.
Yeah, but then, in our life, we don't need many friends eh. Tsaka we need just like less than 3, 4, 5 na talaga talaga who's your real friend.
Yeah, like
so don't waste your time to make many friends. Right?
Yeah, I remember when I had COVID, you called me, and
I call you every night. Tapos
because you were worried, no?
I want to talk to you. You want me to talk to your dogs? Nagpe-FaceTime ako para mausap ko yung aso mo?
Wala akong dog.
Dogs. This is not. Ryan, I'm so sleepy. Can you talk to... Where? Ganun usap kami? Napakasama ng ugali mo. I call you.
Ang gulo pa ng mukha mo.
Wala ko...
Hindi mo lang ayos.
Siyempre, ano ba tayo, jowa? Gusto mo, maligo pa ako, mag-wax pa ako bago kita tawagan. Mahal siya to, matasing.
Nakaka-touch naman. And then he'll send me kimchi. Or one time pa you sent me pa like sabaw.
Yes.
Whenever 2 orders of the Giants. I never finished it. It was so many.
Whenever you are sick, I always, So, yun. So,
wait ka pala, no? I was thinking about all these good stories.
Dito ako nakahawak ako ng napakabigan ng microphone mo. Tapos, nanood ako ng carousel na
3 hours?
English, Harry Potter nga, hindi ko naintindihan. Uupo pa ako dyan sa...
the action was a bit intense.
I watch all your play.
Oh?
Di ba?
No, you missed one.
Anong
Kasi
one?
nga nasa TV ka. It
Saan?
was when we first moved to GTV, you missed the
Oh, yung,
Sarsuela.
kasi isang araw lang play mo.
Yeah, 2 days. Yeah.
Isang araw lang.
2!
Talaga, but I watched the Metro, di ba?
Metropolitan.
Metropolitan.
Yeah. I had only 2 tickets and they went to you.
Oh, thank you so much.
You even had the parking, di ba?
Yeah.
Binilin ko, di ba? Kasi
Yeah.
first official date niya yun.
Kami ni
Ni
Paula.
Paula.
Yeah.
It was very special because you like the Philippines so much. No? Parang you've been
No,
to the museum.
I love kasi I love art.
And
I love
culture,
museum
yeah.
history. Yan yung hili ko, mga old.
Right.
I love my favorite singer is like basta gusto ko old songs.
Yes, like Arirang.
Yeah, that's too old naman. Ari TV? Ari ng channel?
No, but you also sing a lot of
But
Augie
ikaw
Alcacid.
but ikaw nag-decide yung favorites.
Yun yung kinakanta mo eh.
Oo.
Should we sing Sanggol Shark?
No.
Doot,
Basta-
doot, doot.
Hindi. Minsan sobra tayo nakakasundo, minsan sobra tayo hindi nakakasundo.
Oo nga eh. But you know, our personalities, I don't know if we match. So there's this test now. It's
Oh,
called
may testing. Okay.
16personalities.com.
Oh, 60? Okay.
The
Test tayo.
Briggs-Myers
Sigurado
test.
ako hindi tayo match.
No, you already know your type. You are
No.
introverted.
IS.
S. What is S?
S? Sexy.
Whoa.
Hindi ko alam. Malay ko ba?
F.
IS. Ano yan? IS.
What's the next one? Feeling.
ISTJ. IS. Ano ako dun? Nasa cellphone.
Introvert. Sensing. T.
J.
Tall. You're very tall eh.
T.
You're 6 feet tall, no?
And J. A. J-A ako.
Thinking.
Yeah.
And
Introvert.
J. Judging.
Judging? Ano?
Judgy ka.
Ipula kayo na.
Judgmental yan.
But I'm very introvert.
I didn't know that.
You don't know?
I am E. ENFP. And then I became ENFJ. Extrovert. So maybe we balance. I don't know.
Alien.
Alien. Your Disney princess would be Cinderella.
You?
You or Princess Jasmine.
Huh?
You are the protector. Kung Disney princess, according to your type.
I'm,
Yeah. Cinderella and Princess Jasmine.
basta very introvert ako.
I don't even think so.
Ako, gusto ko...
Did you really take the test correctly?
Ikaw ba si Ryan Bang? Siyempre, kilala ko sarili ko. Introvert daw. Pag maraming tao, nahihina ako eh.
Nahihina ka?
Oh.
But we're around so many people every day.
Kaya nga eh.
Napapagod ka?
Hindi
Pag
naman.
na. O kailangan mo mag-charge?
Yeah, kailangan ko. Mahilig ako nasa bahay lang mag-isa.
Or when you're playing golf?
Yeah. Mga timing, ganyan. Doon talaga, mahilig ako mag-isa.
But you're great with team sports. You met your girlfriend
Yeah,
playing
sometimes.
soccer.
Hindi naman lagi mag-isa. Pero introvert talaga personality ko. Lagi siya sabi niya, Ate Karen, Ryan, smile. Sa
Yeah.
showtime.
Can I see? Show them your best Opa smile. Opa. 1, 2, 3. You're so handsome.
Yeah, thank you. But me and Ate Karen, we have so many memories.
Right.
And we start really together in showtime eh.
All right. This is one of my favorite memories in Showtime. So this was the anniversary
Oh, yeah.
wherein we were teammates and you were
Idea mo
blonde.
yun yung hair eh.
Kwapo ka kaya. Kunwari blonde. Ako blonde din kasi.
Yun
As an alien ako dyan.
Ah.
I made a song for us too. Oh, we should record that. I know we fight a lot. Like every other minute.
Yeah.
It's true. I'm the dog, you're the cat.
Ano ba, Ate Karen, ano ba dream mo in the future? Ano ba gusto mo mangyari? Halimbawa, ako. Gusto ko...
I know your dream.
ano?
Can I guess?
Ano?
You want to own a hotel.
No. That's,
No ba?
Yeah, it's a business. Pero personal dream.
Personal dream.
I wanna watch World Cup.
Because
maybe
you're a Spurs fan.
What?
Spurs.
Spurs.
Spurs fan.
Ayusin mo yung accent mo.
My,
Nakaka-insulto.
sorry.
Okay, so
Marami
tapos I wanna watch World Cup.
Mhm.
Gusto ko din manood ng Premier League sa England.
Uh-huh.
And then I wanna watch your play in New York.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I did audition for a Broadway play, but I didn't get the part. But you said if I got it, you would be there. That's cool.
And I wanna, because of me, I wanna make like million of Filipino get very rich. Gusto ko marami yumaman dahil sa akin.
Financial literacy would be helpful aside from just helping them
Gusto ko
with
marami,
opportunities?
opportunity. Marami sila, hindi support. Gusto ko marami sila makaroon ng negosyo
Right.
dahil sa akin. Yun yung mga dreams ko in the future. Ikaw ba?
Oh my gosh, I don't have any dreams.
Hindi, dapat iniisip mo, ito talaga gusto ko gawin.
Yeah,
Ano,
that's how business-minded you are.
Hindi,
You're already sharing your knowledge with others.
Yung dream mo, di ba? I know you wanna make
a musical?
Yeah,
Yeah, I
musical.
do want to make a musical.
And then you wanna play in America, di ba?
No, that was just I always just audition. So I'm open to auditioning, and wherever that takes me, I would be super happy. But I would love to create an original Filipino musical and really develop it to be super good
Like worldwide.
and classic, like a classic. So
Ah.
that's like something I would really want. And I do want to help children
Yeah, I
become
know.
smarter. I would love to help them through ed tech or educational
Alam mo-
technology.
Alam mo paano yumaman Korea?
Paano?
So,
Oh, I know. I
Ano?
watched it
Ano?
in a K-drama. They all donated their gold.
Yeah, that's, mayaman na yun.
And then that's when they had the debt.
Yeah, on IMF, International Monetary Fund, 1988 yan, mga ganun.
Reply 88.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then, yung yumaman yung Korea, alam mo paano?
Paano?
1950, after Korean War, the president made a lot of school. So many elementary school, middle school, high school.
Mhm.
And then, talaga, invest sila ng sobrang daming school
Mhm.
sa buong Korea. Tapos lahat ng kabataan nag-educate very well.
Right.
Tapos yumaman yung bansa.
Yeah, I guess the campuses are beautiful. One, the level of education is high. Students are very competitive, and you guys are well-rounded. And I found out how well-rounded you are when we went to Subic for showtime. When you could horseback, you played a bunch of sports.
Yeah.
You could
Archery.
marunong ka, basics, kahit yung shooting. Sabi ko, how are you this? And then somebody was Chinese. You started to talk to him in Chinese. I was just like, hanggang anong grade ka lang sa Korea?
Kaya nga, grade 7.
Grade 7, but your education was enough to just really help you. And then when you were here, you became a class. Oh, no. Sorry. What were you? You were the student council president.
Yes, when I studied in Ridley.
Ridley, yes.
So, importante talaga education eh.
Yes.
Lalo na, hindi, mahalaga din when you are old eh. Pero importante talaga yung elementary.
Mm-hmm.
Kasi when you teach the kids, habang buhay nandyan na eh.
Correct.
So, importante, like, 1 to 7 years old
Mm-hmm.
or 10 years old, yung educate na yun, sobrang mahalaga. Yun yung talaga future ng bansang Pilipinas.
So, tama naman pala yung dream ko.
Yes, tama.
Medyo
So,
connected sa dream mo.
yeah, tsaka ginagawa mo yun. Nung first time tayo nakita, 15 years ago, you're helping a lot of children, you're donating,
Yeah.
bring
Ryan
them.
is one of our secret supporters.
But, support. Can you stop it? Na-offend na ako,
Benefactor. Ang pangit
okay,
kasi
okay.
ng
Sorry,
benefactor
sorry.
ngayon. Na iba na yung meaning. So
Sorry.
parang, you're one of the ones who really donates
Hindi.
money.
What can I not do for you, Ate Karina?
Oh my gosh. And to think you are here sharing all this with us, I would now like to ask you to share your most valuable insight. I know we talked about this yesterday na if there's something that you can share with the listeners,
May life motto.
your life motto, but maybe we can add something about what we talked about today. Kasi ang dami nating napag-usapan na I'm sure nagulat sila kung gaano ka-serious sa buhay.
Serious ba ako na yun? Just I'm being myself today. Kasi,
Correct.
syempre, this is your show, Ate Karil. And this is real me eh. Ito
Right.
talaga ako eh. So,
Look at your hand. That is stressed, Ryan. Right
kasi
there.
malalim yung tanong mo eh. So, anyway,
Yan sa nga.
yes.
Che Valio.
Ano gusto mo?
You share
Patawa?
it. Ryan, no, pa. Just share.
Ano ako, aso mo?
No, di
Ganun
ba
ka kausap
ganun yung
aso
sa
mo?
si Heyna and Fight for My Way.
Oo.
Oh, pa. Che Valio. Okay. Share, maybe, do you want to share the one that you prepared, your life motto, or
What is your last question ba?
from whatever we talked about today, what is your favorite part that maybe you just want to summarize first before the one you prepared, your life
Favorite
motto?
part when we talk about?
Yeah, yung talagang gusto mong maalala nila after listening to
No,
this.
yung memory natin na hindi natin sinadya na akalain mo nung hurado ka sa Showtime, magiging best friend tayo na like more than like your sibling talaga.
Right.
Hindi hindi natin sinadya eh. So
Hindi siya pilit.
So
Yeah,
yung memory natin super up and down. You're always there. I'm always here for you. So this is amazing story, you and me. And then excited ako sa future. Of course, yung family mo, Kuya Yael, and maybe someday with my family, we travel together. Tapos away tayo doon. Tapos excited ako future natin.
We should make a movie together. Friend, as mag-ate.
But
Nuna.
I hope you know, Ate Karir, and also yung mga viewers mo, I love you so much from my heart. And
Can you say it in Korean, please?
Karir 누나,
No, 네.
제가 사랑합니다.
사랑해. Tama no, walang yo kasi you're younger than me.
Yes, 사랑해.
Yan, yeah! Yan sa nga.
Yes. So
Saranghe.
Ate Karir, whenever you are sad, please call me. And
And
whenever
I know to be
happy,
careful.
whenever I'm happy, I will never call you. Joke lang.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, you're so sweet. It's too much. I
Yeah.
will just think of when we lost in the Magpasikat.
Kasi walang
Pero maganda.
Maganda.
Maganda yan.
Pag magkampi tayo ulit,
Sana nag-flute ka. Nag-flute ka pala, ba't di mo ginawa nung tayo partner?
hindi mo ako tinanong kung marunong ako mag-instrument.
Dami mong ginagawa. Natutunan mo rin yun sa Korea, sa school?
Church.
Oh my gosh, you're so
So,
amazing.
I was playing flute when I was grade school in church.
Next time, if you come back to Case Drama, bring your flute.
Flute? Dadaling ko pa dito. Mag-flute pa ako? Para sa'yo?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Interview nga ako eh.
Diba? Ganda. Lururu.
Okay, mag-flute
Diba?
ako. Next time, mag-flute ako para
Yeah, thank you. But now, it's time to share
And then,
your life motto. Oh, what?
Before life motto, can I say something to you?
Okay.
Sa kasal mo,
Oh, you're remembering.
na-stress ako minsan pag binibigla ako eh.
Uh-uh.
Everything I can do for you.
Okay.
Tapos, yung kasal mo, nandun ako.
Tagaytay.
Oo,
Uh-uh.
church. Sobrang ganda ng simbahan na yun.
Mm-mm.
So, nakaupo ako sa harap. So, tinawag nila sila Bong, Teddy, Jukes. Marami sila ginagawa. Ay, ako wala eh. So, nakaupo lang ako. I was watching you. Of course, Kuya Yair. I was so touching. And then, yung isang
Coordinator.
tita, naalala ko yung mukha niya eh. Halika. Ha? Bakit po? Halika. Para akong may utang sa kanya. Halika yan. Sabi ko, sa kasal mo ha?
Uh-uh.
Na-stress ako. Ha? Bakit po? Okay.
May late.
Punta ka. Akyat ka stage. Akyat ako?
Sa altar.
Ikaw magbasa ng prayer. Ha? Ako po magbasa ng prayer? Yeah. Wala pa sila, Kuya Jong. Ikaw na magbasa. Tapos, ang haba. Malalim yung Bible. John chapter 1, something yata eh. So sabi ko, Lord, let's pray. The Lord arrived, sent us to Jesus Christ. Tapos binibigla ako, hindi ko maintindihan yung English. So natatawa na sa church. Naiiya ako. Yung tita, gusto ko siya kunin number. Hanggang na yun, naalala ko siya.
Sino kaya yun? Hanapin
Binibigla ako,
natin.
na-stress ko, namumula. Alam mo, nakapapawis ako sa anhit ng ulo ko. No?
Sa anit.
Anit ng ulo ko. Lahat, grabe yung kinakabahan ako. Naipawis. Wala lang, nagkwento ko lang.
Oh my gosh. Sorry. That was not my fault.
Yeah, it was not your fault. It was my fault na sumama ako kay tita. Alam, pakayaya niya. Akala ko...
Anything for the Lord. The Lord is okay.
Hindi naman ako reklamo. Pero I was just very, very surprised.
Nagreklamo ka?
Never ako nagreklamo kay Lord. The Lord, sorry po. But then, mas maganda kay Lord. Gusto ni Lord, mas malinaw.
Hindi. From the heart.
From the heart. But then, nandun si Tita Small, Tita Alice Laude.
Yeah.
Nasa harap ko yung mukha.
Alice Eduardo.
No,
Small
Tita Alice Laude.
Yes.
Pagkatapos ng basa ko, Tita Alice umalis. Joke lang. Pero, Jose Marichan, nandun.
Oo.
Lahat,
Ninang Chris Aquino.
Yes, Ninang Chris Aquino, they're watching me. And tapos, first time ko nagbasa ng Bible yung chapter na yon. Tapos, hindi pala dapat ako yun.
It's okay. Your heart is pure.
It's okay for you. It's not okay for me. I was so stressed.
Hanapin ko nga. I have never seen the video of that.
Yeah, naalala ko lang. Pero I was very shocked suddenly.
Okay.
Yeah, but then after that, yeah,
It's okay.
it's okay for you, not okay for me. But then I was very happy naman for your wedding. At least I did something.
Right.
Yeah. Gusto ko sa kasal ko, babasa ka ng Bible chapter in Korean. Tingnan ko kung hindi ka kinakabahan, ha?
Kayang-kaya.
Kayang-kaya.
For you,
Okay.
sing son.
Okay. Ano singson? Ista yun.
Yun lang ang alam ko eh.
Yun lang alam mo. Paano siya sabi mo na alam mo ng word?
Yun lang. Kadya, pale-pale.
Oh.
So now it's time for you. Finish na lahat ng gusto mong i-reveal na galit ka sa akin.
Hindi, never ako galit
Meron
sa'yo.
pa? Ilabas mo na today.
Marami
Tapos
pa.
na?
Marami pa.
For part 2, when you
Okay.
play the flute.
Okay.
So now you can share your life motto because you're a very successful man.
No, I'm not.
A very handsome. Just say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ate
I
Carla.
mean,
I'm
hindi
very
ka naman
successful.
nagyayabang eh. We're just happy to share with other people
Yeah.
your wisdom.
I'm very successful because I have friend like you.
Aww.
Kasi Ate Carla is
So
very
sweet.
smart, sobrang matalino, and she never make me feel that I'm not good in English, I'm not good in Tagalog. You never
You're very smart. You're very
No,
multilingual.
you never make me feel so stupid.
You're not Pabo.
No. So you're very good in teacher. So I'm so magaling ako magtagalog dahil sa'yo. Pero anyway, so my motto, I always thinking about naniniwala ako. Our life is between B and D. C. Thank you.
What does that mean?
Our life is between letter B and D. C.
Okay, so we have to say it together. Our life
Our life
is between B
and
and
D.
D.
Anong letter yan?
C.
C. Thank you.
I don't get it. Explain.
You don't get it?
Oh, I'll think about it.
Yeah.
And then you can comment down below. What does
Okay.
it mean? Don't explain.
Not-
This is your life motto.
our life is in between B and D. C. Chocolate. Fudgy bar.
Don't go placing your commercial here.
Okay.
You need to pay.
Oh, really?
No, I'm kidding.
So, our life. B. Bird. D.
Duck.
Dead.
Whoa! I thought bird tweet. Birth.
Ang grabe yung utak mo. Minsan bastos, ha? Anong bird?
Like
So,
Aves.
my life motto is bird? May girlfriend ako!
Again. It
So,
is. Our life
Ba't puro ganun yung
is
usapan?
between
Spot,
birth.
tuli, bird.
Our life is
B.
between birth.
Hindi ibon.
Yeah. Birth and death.
C.
C. What is C?
Choice. So you have to choose very well, people. You have to choose God, accept Jesus. You have to choose honor your parents. You have to choose very good partner, your wife, your husband. You have to choose very good friend. Tayo, mga tao, mabilis tayo mahawa. So,
Impressionable.
Yeah, kung pipili ka ng sobrang bait ka, perfect ka, pero pag pipili ka ng maling partner, maling friend, maling tao, mabilis ka mahawa.
Mhm.
So, choose wisely. Okay.
Cheers.
So, that's my motto. Choose wisely everything.
Right.
That's why
Cheers.
I choose you.
Oh, you're so sweet.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Maybe we
I choose you to be my enemy.
Wow. Thank you so much to Siesta
Yeah,
Horchata.
that's my life motto. Maganda-
Between birth and death. C.
Chocolate.
Choice.
Fudgy bar.
And with that, we close this episode
Yes.
of K's Drama, Jebalyo. Oh,
Like-
mali. Hindi pala Jebalyo. Jebalyo is please.
감사합니다.
감사합니다.
네, 감사합니다. Okay.
Yansang dongsenga. Appear. How do you say appear in Korean?
Appear.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Ka. 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 Hey guys, thanks for listening. This is Karil reminding all of you to follow Case Drama on Spotify. Click the bell for notifications.